Hey guys, okay, so in science we've been talking about mixtures, and today I thought we would do something fun because it's Friday. I'm going to show you how to make something that's called a thaumatrope. And how it goes along with mixtures is that you're going to take a picture on this side and a picture on this side, and when you, I don't know if I can do it under the camera, when you spin it really fast, they mix together. Okay, and you can see the mixture of the two pictures. So I just thought it'd be something fun and bringing in a little art because I know you're at home and haven't been able to go to art classes. So I'm going to show you how to make it first. I just looked around my classroom and found something that had a circle for the base or the top. And you're going to take that and you're going to trace it twice because you're going to need two of them. Alright, so you're going to trace around it. Okay, there's one. And you don't want them to be huge. You gotta have two circles the same size. Alright, then you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut those out. I'm going to pause it for a minute while I cut mine out because you don't need to watch me cutting. Alright guys, so I've cut out my two circles. So what I thought would be fun is for us to make emoji ones because they're pretty easy. Alright, so I'm going to take a yellow marker just on one of them. I'm going to make my face, that would be just the head part, not the actual face on it. Okay, and make a big yellow circle. And then I'm going to trace around that. It almost looks like an egg right now. But I'm going to trace around that with black to make it stand out. And that is all you're going to do on one of yours, okay? Then you need to pick your favorite emoji face. So if you don't have a favorite, go into your phone, your mom's phone, somebody's phone, and their text messages, and look at all the different emoji faces, okay? Let's see, which one do I want to do? I'm looking at my phone right now. Maybe I'll do the kissy face one, where they're blowing a kiss. Okay, so then on this one, I'm going to lay this on top, and I don't know if y'all can see it on the screen. Let's zoom in a little bit. But you can see the black outline when I'm looking at it. I don't think you can see it on the screen very well, but that'll tell me where to draw this little kissy face. Okay? So he has like an eyebrow up here, and then an eyeball right here, and then he's got his little kissy lips, and then he's got one eye winking, like that, and then I gotta draw the heart where he's blowing the kiss. Let's use my little pen for that. Maybe I've seen that one before. Okay, so once you decide what little face expression you want on your emoji, you're going to get, what I thought was easiest was to get a pencil. If you have a straw, you can use a straw also. And you're going to take these apart, and you're going to put them face down. You definitely want them to be face down, and you're going to put a lot of glue from your glue stick. Just like that, and just like that. Hold on one second, bud. Okay, and then you're going to stick them together, just like here. And you want to let that dry for a few minutes. So I'm going to pause my video so that mine has a chance to dry. And you kind of got to hold them together and squish them. Alright, and I'm going to pause my video so it can dry. Okay, so I've given him about a minute to dry. Probably not enough. You probably need to give him about 2 minutes to dry. And then when you're done, you can, remember, here's one picture, there's two pictures, and then when you spin it, it'll mix them together. And it's kind of hard to see because my camera's not that great. But you'll be able to see it a lot better when you do it. And it'll show your face on the actual head when you're spinning it. Okay, and then I have some questions about mixtures on the next page that I want you to answer. So make sure complete sentences, good capitals, good periods for me.